Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making simple bakery bread. You're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1 2/3 cups warm milk, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons oil, and 1 teaspoon salt. We're going to start with flour. Just with the spoon, make a little space right in the center. Then add half a warm milk. Add yeast. Add sugar. And mix that slowly for about 5 minutes until yeast gets activated. Then add salt and oil. Then add the rest of the milk. Then start kneading the dough until it stops sticking to your hands. This is what it's supposed to look like, nice and smooth and soft, and it should bounce when you poke it. Add a little bit of oil in the bowl. And on the dough, so it doesn't stick when it's rising. Cover it with a plastic wrap and a towel and set it on the side to rise. Cover the working area with the flour. And then after the dough is double in size, take it out and stretch it in the size of your cooking sheet. Try to stretch it in a square if you can. Then take the baking paper put the dough on top of it and just by hand shape it to it. And then start rolling from the top down about 2/3 of the way. Then tuck the ends in. Then you can cut it with the knife or pastry cutter. And cut it about every 1/2 inch. After you're done cutting, roll it down the rest of the way slowly. Take the whole paper and transfer it into the baking pan. Cover it with a towel and set it aside and let it rest for about 20 minutes. After it's rested for 20 minutes, take one egg yolk and brush it gently. Preheat your oven on 350 and bake it for 25 minutes. And there you go, golden brown, beautiful bread. Crunchy outside and soft inside. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.